Did you know the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco is one of the most iconic structures in the world? Opened in 1937, it was the longest suspension bridge of its time, spanning 2.7 kilometers. Its vibrant international orange color was chosen for visibility in foggy conditions and to complement the surrounding landscape. The bridge's towers stand 227 meters tall, and its cables made of 80,000 miles of wire can withstand extreme winds. Surprisingly, it was designed to sway up to 7 meters to endure earthquakes. The bridge connects San Francisco to Marin County and sees over 40 million vehicles crossing annually. It's not just a marvel of engineering but also a beloved symbol of innovation and resilience. Want more mind-blowing facts about the world's best attractions? Subscribe to our channel now.